In a world brimming with information, over 600 million active blogs dominate the digital landscape, and every day 2 million new blog posts are published. That's over 2.5 billion posts each year. 24% of successful blogs publish fresh content every day. On average, it takes almost 4 hours to write a single blog post. But what if there was a way to transform this time-consuming process into a single click? Welcome to the future of blogging with blogging automation. Effortless, efficient, revolutionary. Get ready to revolutionize your blogging experience. Let's dive in. This video is about 20 minutes long. I know many might be tempted to skip ahead, but if you stick with me, you'll learn how to create your own blog automation machine. With just one click, your blog will be published on WordPress. I'll provide all the necessary prompts in a Google Doc linked in the description. Let's get started. Let's start by heading over to docs.google.com/spreadsheets and signing in with your Google account. Once you're logged in, choose Blank Spreadsheet. Next, give a name to your new spreadsheet. In cell A1, enter keyword, and in cell B1, enter slug. After that, press Ctrl+S to save your work. The initial setup for the spreadsheet is now complete. Now, let's move on to the automation part. We're going to use make.com for the automation process. Make is a platform that allows you to automate workflows between apps and services without coding. Yes, you heard right, no coding knowledge. It simplifies tasks by connecting different tools and automating repetitive processes. Let's begin with automation. You can start for free by clicking the link in the description. First, click on Get Started for free and sign up with your Google account. Once you're logged in, click on Create New Scenario to begin setting up our automation. Let's begin by getting keywords from Google Sheets. First, click the plus icon and select Google Sheets. Next, choose Get a Cell. Click Add and sign in with the same Google account used for your spreadsheet. Once signed in, for the spreadsheet ID, choose Select from List. Then select Drive. Choose the spreadsheet where we saved our keywords. Next, select Sheet Name. Enter the cell number where we saved our keyword, which is A1. That's it. We've added our sheet to our automation. This scenario starts by looking at a specific cell, A1, in a Google Sheets document to find a keyword. Now, let's generate a blog title. Using the keyword from step 1, we'll ask AI to create a catchy and SEO-optimized blog title. To do this, we're going to use the OpenAI API. The API isn't free, but don't worry, it's very affordable. $5 is more than enough to start with. Click the link in the description to go to the OpenAI API. Sign up with your Google account. Once signed up, go to the dashboard. Navigate to API keys. Select Create New API Key. Give your key a name. Click Create Secret Key. Copy the API key and save it somewhere secure, as it will not be visible again. Now go back to Make. Click the plus icon to add a new module. Choose OpenAI and then select Create a Completion. Click Add and paste your API key. For the organization ID, click OpenAI Organization Settings. Copy the organization ID, paste it here, and click Save. Next, go to Model and choose GPT-4, the latest OpenAI model. Enter the token limit as 1000. Click Add Message. Choose Role as User. In the message content, paste the title generation prompt. Don't worry, all the prompts are provided in the description. We need to get the keyword information from the spreadsheet to generate the title. To do that, the prompt already specifies generating a title based on the keyword. Select the particular area and choose Google Sheets. Get a cell value. To make it simply, we're telling OpenAI to generate a title for a keyword, and that keyword is taken from cell A1. That's it, super simple. Now let's change the module name for easy understanding. Right-click on module and select Rename. Now name the module as a blog title. Now let's do a simple test. Click Run once. Yes, our automation started and given a result. Take a look. Now let's move to the next step, creating an outline for our blog. We'll follow similar steps to create a detailed outline for the blog article based on the keyword and the generated title. First, click the plus icon to add a new module. Choose OpenAI and select Create a Completion. Select the same model, GPT-4. click Add Message. Select User as the role. Paste the outline generation prompt into the message content. We've asked ChatGPT to create a complete outline for the article based on the keyword and title. Next to keyword, select the Google Sheets value. Next to title, click Choices, navigate to Message, and then choose Content. Now scroll down and set a max token to 2000. Now right-click on module and rename as Blog Outline. That's it. Super simple. Now we have set up our automation for outline generation. Now let's move to the next step, writing the blog introduction. We'll follow the same steps to write a compelling introduction for our blog article. To make it simple, right-click on the outline module and select Clone. Rename this copied module to Blog Intro. Click on the Intro module and go to Message Content. Delete the current prompt and paste the intro prompt. Now, next to keyword, select the Google Sheets value. Next to title, click Choices. Navigate to Message and then choose Content. Now scroll down and set token as 1000. Now we have set up our automation for the introduction. Now, let's move to the next step, generating FAQs. We'll follow the same steps by cloning the last module. Now delete the current prompt and paste the intro prompt. Next to keyword, select the Google Sheets value and title Content. Now set the token value as 2000. Now we have set up our automation for the FAQs. Now let's move to the next step, blog content. Repeat the same steps by cloning the last module. Now delete the current prompt and paste the content prompt. Now we need to link all the generated content here. So read the prompt carefully and link the generated content. We need blog to start with title. So near title, link the title content. We already generated the intro, so let's link the intro content here. Then it needs to read the entire outline to generate full content, so link the outline content here. Now we need our FAQ part to come before the conclusion, so let's link FAQ's content here. Now, set the token value as 4096. Now we have set up our automation for the blog content. Now let's move to the next step, meta description. Repeat same steps by cloning the last module. Delete the current prompt and paste the meta description prompt. Now, meta description need to generate based on our overall content, title and keyword, so link them accordingly. Now scroll down and set token as 1000. Now content creation process is completed. Now let's do a trail test. Click on the Run Once button. Now your automation machine is started. Here is the result. If you notice, our output is not well formatted in HTML. In this condition, the blog post won't look good and won't be properly formatted when published. We are going to use two new modules here to process and format the blog content before it is published on WordPress. Now click the Add button and search for text parser. Select Match Pattern. Paste the pattern here. Don't worry, you can find everything in the description. Set Global Match to Yes. Set Ignore Errors, Case Sensitive, Multi-line, and Single Line to No. Set Continue the execution to Yes. In text, choose Output Content. That's it. Now click the Add button and search for Markdown and select Markdown to HTML. Now set the content output. That's it. And let me explain what I did in last two modules for easy understanding. The text parser module is used to search and manipulate text based on specific patterns, such as headers, bullet points, and links. It ensures the content follows the desired formatting rules, making it consistent and easier to convert to HTML. Next, the Markdown module converts this processed text into HTML, the format used by WordPress to display content. This step is crucial for ensuring the blog post is properly formatted and looks good when published. Simply, the text parser processes text patterns for proper formatting, while the Markdown module converts the formatted text into HTML for WordPress. These modules ensure the AI-generated content is well formatted and ready for publication. If you followed along so far, congratulations. You've set up 95% of the automation. Now, let's connect our WordPress site to this automation. First, log in to your WordPress admin dashboard. Go to Plugins in the menu on the left and click Add New. In the search bar, type Make Connector. Find the plugin, then click Install and Activate. Once it's activated, you'll see a new option called Make in the left sidebar. Click on it. You'll find a new API key. Copy this API key and go back to your automation setup. Click the plus icon to add a new module. Search for WordPress and select it. We need to link your WordPress site to the automation. Click Add. Paste your API key in the provided field. In the REST API base URL field, enter your website URL followed by /wp-json. Click Save. That's it. Your WordPress site is now connected to the automation. Now click on WordPress. For the title, choose Title Content. For the content, choose Markdown Content. For the type, select Post. In the excerpt, choose your meta description content. In the status, select Draft, so the post saves as a draft, allowing you to review it before publishing. That's it, your entire automation is set up. Now let's do a final test. Yes, our automation completed. Let's open our WordPress and preview the content. Awesome blog in just one click. Stunning, right? But if you notice, our blog isn't complete because it used the maximum token limit for output. No worries, here's a quick solution. We're going to collect all the information separately in our spreadsheet. Let's see it in action. Go back to the automation. Now, click the plus button to add a new module. Search for Router. Click the top plus button and select Google Sheets. Scroll down and select Update Cell. For the sheet ID, choose Select from List. Go to your Google Sheet, add a new sheet, and rename it Result. Return to the automation and choose the result sheet. In the cell, type A1. We are going to update this cell with the generated FAQs, so choose FAQs content. Turn on Advanced Settings and set the input option to Raw. Now, do the same for updating content in cell B1. Now, let's run these two modules. You can see that the content is updated in the desired cells. Now, you can copy and paste the missing content into WordPress. That's it. Congrats. Now, your blogging automation machine is in your hands. I recommend posting at least 2 posts per day. You need to change the keyword in cell A1 to keep your content fresh and relevant. You can also use the repeat module at the beginning. But remember, treat your blog as a business. By updating the researched keywords manually in cell A1, you'll keep your blog and business under your control. I'm also offering a done-for-you service. If you want me to build your advanced blogging automation system, you can hire me through Fiverr. The link is in the description. If you find this video useful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on bell notifications for future updates. Thank you.